Hey everyone, and I hope you're ready for round 2 of our first tempo battle. If you didn't see round 1, click the link above to watch that first. Now let's start the video with a quick recap of last round. First round update. First place is Wyatt with 142. Second place is me with 132. Third place is Millie, 127. And then it goes Jingu 106, Noah 94, and Gabe 54.
We can stop there.
That was just a warm up.
Just the top 5 is good for future reference.
Alright.
Yeah, but he's got like bad frames.
Yeah, for what I've got, we're doing pretty well over here.
Yeah, I mean, if you multiply that by how rough I did, you would have a better score.
There we go. Alright, this one's for all the marbles. Have fun looking at my menu as I start running through this level.
The awkward silence as we wait for results.
All this time to reflect that I'm not on the leaderboard.
I get to reflect on the histogram bug that's blatantly right there.
I mean, I don't want to be crass, but I may beat Noah this time.
Did he finish?
Oh. Did I finish? Not yet. Alright, I finished. I got a solid 88 that time.
Ooh,
Hey.
not bad.
Oh.
Alright, that's the score to beat.
Is it me again?
Yes.
Alright. Gotta dry my hands, getting a little sweaty.
The only person to beat is yourself, Wyatt.
Oh no!
Oh no.
No! Oh my goodness.
You have to write code to send Wyatt into the negatives. He sits at start.
I gotta say, this is a pretty challenging first level.
Is this... Did we do the switch already? I forget if this is the switch, because I remember talking about... I think I switched it, yeah. I think this is maybe the easiest out of the 3.
Oh my goodness.
Oh,
No!
Oh.
How could I do this?
I don't think Wyatt's gonna beat his last one. Oh!
Whoa.
He's fast
Oh
on
my-
that part.
oh
Oh, my
no.
god.
But
How are you so good at that part?
So close to the end.
Oh.
Nice.
Oh, wow.
Is that above?
No, that's below what he got last time, but still above
It's
everyone else.
132.
Alright, Wyatt, let me show you how it's done.
Oh yeah. Let's see it.
Let's see it.
Yeah, good start.
Ah!
Really booking it.
Yep, there it goes.
We need a hitless speedrun.
So tell me about your latest art piece now.
The beat drop.
The way the beat drops.
Yeah, nothing like a beat drop when you get stuck.
Ooh, water box.
Oh no. Is that higher than my last score?
No, it's right behind you.
Is it my
you're
turn?
up. Yep, you're up, Lily.
Guys, I'm gonna go into full focus mode. I'm not gonna talk. I'm gonna tempo.
We'll see. We'll see.
We're gonna talk. So.
Professional
Yes.
esports commentator.
You guys are the
Yeah.
professional distractors.
Nee says that's our new slogan. No talk, just tempo.
Oh, that's really good, actually. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness.
Oh no.
She's doing really well. Oh,
She's coming
Ah,
for a second.
no! What? Oh god, guys, it's over. This part always gets me.
He had a chance to speed up, though, so I think he still have the chance. Oh, my goodness.
Oh no. I just can't mess up again.
Okay, this time I mean it.
True. No!
Wow.
Oh no.
Do you,
No no no.
do you feel
no.
good?
No no no. No.
No!
Oh no.
Hey,
It was
130.
close. I'm consistent.
Yeah,
Alright.
Damn.
pretty good, man.
15.
I think all that matters is that I improved from my first score. So did Gabriel.
yeah.
I'm going for first.
That was really good. Wow, Brett is making really good time.
He's flying.
Oh wow.
I think he might have the record in the bag.
You jinxed him.
No, you still have it. You still have it.
Oh no!
The bag.
No, you don't have it. You don't have it.
Oh no! You almost had
It's
it.
not one part every time.
I'm so sorry.
So
That was really
close.
good.
That was really good.
I got 130. God dang it, bro. Fix the tiles ASAP.
Okay.
Alright,
My
so-
turn again.
Jiggy, you're currently in fourth. You have to beat 130 for third and 132nd for second. Or what? 137 for second.
Wow, 130. That's tough. Okay.
You got this, Supreme Overlord Jinyu.
Achoo. Son of this.
Oh no. No. I'm so bad at this part. Oh no.
I'm playing along with Jingyu and I made the same mistake on my controller.
Oh, I hate that part so much.
Nice.
110.
Improvement.
That's good.
Yay.
Is that better than my last score?
Yeah, you got 106 last time.
Oh, nice. I'm glad that there was some improvement.
Everyone except Wyatt improved.
Yeah, Wyatt's got nowhere to go but down.
All right, top five, Brett. Give it to us.
Top 5.
Top five.
Gabe. Wyatt
From the top down.
Wyatt with a top score of 142. Me with second place at 137. And then Millie in third place with 130. Even though Wyatt did get 132 on his second run, but that doesn't matter.
Everyone gets
Yeah. And then Jing, you got 110? Yep. And Noah got 105. And then, yeah. Gabe got 88.
Wow, good job, everyone.
And with that, Wyatt is the winner of this tempo battle. There'll be more videos like this in the future, so let us know what you thought in the comments below. Before I end the video, I have a few updates. First, Tempo will be available for Mac users along with our next patch releasing this December. Second, the Steam Awards are coming up and Tempo could be nominated on our store page. I nominated Tempo for the Best Game You Suck At award, but there are plenty more to pick from that might better suit your experience. And third is, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Might have the record in the bag.